This is the one that I've been thinking about making. I got my tackle box, and I said, well, I'm gonna make a little stool out of that tackle box so I can use it, and I can have it in the living room or wherever I might want to be in the house, and it'll look pretty good because you know how your wife might say, well, I know that old tackle box in here you got in the living room. So yeah, I figure I'd disguise it a little bit like it's a nice little stool that you can sit on, put your socks and shoes on and that type of stuff, and trim your toenails too. I already did that. It's 2 inches less than a chair, and so it puts you a little closer to your foot when you're putting on your shoes, or either when you're trimming your toenails or whatever. It just works a little bit better because it's a little bit closer to the floor. And I said, this is just a wonderful idea, and your wife will like it too. Once you see it, she'll be moving that thing around. So anytime you see it, then you just take it and start playing around with your fish hooks and stuff, and she probably won't say nothing. So it's just a way to disguise stuff and still be able to use it. You don't have to put it in the closet somewhere you hardly ever see it. So let's just get it out so we can use it every day.
All right, I'm fixing to get started right now. Here you go. First of all, I got 2 drills. Got one with a little bitty bit in it. It's smaller than the screw I'm going to use, and that way I can pre-drill all my holes. That's the screwdriver. I got 2 screwdrivers, so I don't have to change them and speed the job up a little bit. And this here is every piece of the board you're going to need. I already got it pre-cut. Each one of them, I cut them at the angle and everything. So I got 2 long ones, which goes on the side of the box. And then you got these 3 shorter ones here, the same size. One goes in front of the box, and then 2 of them goes on the back there to keep it from rocking backwards. That works the back. And these here, right here, these 4, they go straight up and down the box. And then of course I got the hole drilled here that I can just put it in there and like a so right there. Drill it up and put it in there like that. Okay. And this is my tackle box. I just got it open here so I can really show you. It is a tackle box, ain't no doubt about it. And this is, I want to tell you about this. This is a good hook right here. This hook, see, it's got a drag thing there. Don't catch no bushes on the bottom when you're dragging, so that'll help keep your line from getting tangled up. You get your hook like that. Then I got them double little things right here on the side, so the fish, you get hung, you can't pull the hook back out of the mouth and spit it out, so you can pull him on in. So I'm just gonna tell you, I'm gonna catch a fish that's gonna need a hook that size anyway. Probably most of the time I wish they had a big one, because some of them big ones all gets away. You know how that works. But anyway, this is what I want to show you here. And I'm gonna just take this here and if I don't knock the mirror down, put it back up. See, now we got it all closed, and you can see it is a tackle box. And so that's what I'm gonna do. In the next picture I show you is where I'm gonna put it together already. So here we go. Y'all just hold on now.
I use little strips. They're little strips you can buy them used in a bundle, and they're pretty strip here, pretty cheap. They're used for trim and that type of stuff. And they're like a 1x2, and they work out real well on making little frames or something around a box. And that's what I did here around my tackle box. I just made it to fit up close to the box. I'd view right here. See the back right there. See the back where it's got 2 boards on it, and it extends out further from the tackle box itself. That's to keep you from when you sit on it, and that's the back that you're going to be facing. You're going to be sitting on the front up there putting your shoes on or something, and that way you won't tilt back over. Mine was bad about, if I lean back a little bit, I might just roll on over. So I come up with the idea of putting that extended board out like that, and that'll keep it from turning over when you lean back putting your shoes on or something. That shows you a better view of the back. Of course, that's the side view and all. Just give you a better idea. And you see the screw, some of them ain't got screwed in enough yet, but I left them like that so you can see I pre-drill all my holes so I won't bust the boards when I put the screws in. If you pre-drill them, it'll work real good, and And I didn't give no sizes on the boards, the length of them, because all your tackle boxes can be different shapes, and so you just have to build it around the box like that. Make sure it extends out to the back like I'm showing you, and have it shorter in the front so that part won't mess with you when you put your shoes on. You want nothing to hinder you up there.